Hi, it's Peter Irvine here. I want to talk about a great new resource we've just released. It's called Life, Leadership and Business, and it comes in a pack exactly like this. And it includes a USB which has 12 videos and also a printed copy of the actual workbook, the 100-page workbook, and that workbook is also in a soft version on the USB. And all you do is you just flick out the USB and you can use it in your laptop and your computer. And we ran these sessions for 35 business people, including not-for-profit organisations plus a few department heads from a church, where we're able to get them to interact to build their vision, mission, values, their SWOT analysis and then their actions. And you'll see those workshops that help you actually develop your vision, mission and so on. And we worked out how to get that core idea for marketing, and we worked that through for different types of businesses, and a few sales tips, and also how to build a championship team. And I also covered a few other talks that were videoed. So you get 12 videos, the workbook on the USB and in the printed form, and it's available on the website kingdom-momentum.com, and you'll see it at the bottom of this video. So go to the website, have a look. There's a bit more description there about the package itself, and this will help you get clarity around your business, clarity around your marketing, and clarity around how to look for good people, how to motivate them, how to be a leader. And whether it's a church, a business, or whether it's a not-for-profit, you will get a lot of tips, a lot of help, and a lot of practical information and challenges that will help take you forward from this day onwards. So get the pack and let's see you go forward. Thank you.